So, a lot of people don't know that LinkedIn has recently turned on a feature called creator mode. You may or may not have it yet, but soon everybody will. And the reason for that is that LinkedIn has really come to terms with the fact that it is an actual social media platform, just like TikTok and Facebook and Instagram, except this is the powerful one for you as a place to build your professional presence. And that is why I am going to be hosting a class on Wednesday, June 30th. It's going to be live, but if you can't attend live, it's okay. You can sign up and get the recording because I want you to understand what I've learned over the last decade of being an influencer on the LinkedIn platform. I am lucky enough to have been a creator on the platform, so I know what you can expect and what you're going to want to do to maximize its potential. Executive presence is what people say about you when you're not in the room. And your online executive presence is what you need to document and control on LinkedIn in order to get the best career opportunities. And that's exactly what this training is going to teach you. So please check out the link in the comments below, sign up and reserve your seat for this session. Again, if you can't attend live, we'll still send you the recording and the workbook. I am not going to be doing this class very often. This one is backed by popular demand. I've only done it once before, but now given the fact that creator mode is really becoming available to everybody, I think it's important for people to understand how to do it correctly. If you want to be a creator and be effective on LinkedIn, especially if you're an executive, then you need to know how to do it safely and how to do it at scale. Just like a good business, and you are a business of one, you are a service provider, you are a very expensive business, you are a brand. So brand or be branded, my executive friends. Come join me for this session. Let me show you what I've learned after a decade of being a creator on LinkedIn and how you can really elevate your executive presence and take it to the next level. Because as I always say, if you want to win, you got to work it daily.